Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to unbox this. This is DeWALT DPG82 Concealer Clear slash Smoke Anti-Fog Dual Mode Safety Goggle Glasses. I got this out of eBay for $13.35 plus tax and then free shipping. So total is $14.52. So let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys what's it look like. So let's go ahead and do that. So I purchased this with my own money. So I'm not affiliated or sponsored by this company. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here you go. So I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view of the box. So the one that I picked is the clear one because they also have the smoke one. So that was just part of the description. So it's a DPG 82. So this one has a dual injected rubber seal, built-in ventilation channel, head strap, clip attachment, neoprene head strap, and then replaceable polycarbonate lens. And then they go by those number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's your UPC barcode. This one's the clear anti-fog. And this one is Z87.1 compliant, UVA, UVB 99.9%, AF for anti-fog, and then HC hard coat. And this one's the made in Taiwan. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Come with this nice DeWALT bag. And it is sealed. There's a hole punch right there for the air to come out. Then there's a little tiny plus signs. Go ahead and open this up. Wow, looks pretty nice. Neoprene strap right here. This is your adjustable buckle right there. And then they got their DeWALT box logo right here on the back. And then has a dual injected rubber seal. Pretty nice is all around it. A nice clear lens to protect your eyes. And then you got the DeWALT branding right there. So I wonder how do you remove the lens since this is changeable. Let's see. Oh, you pull this tab out and then pinch in to remove the head strap. So I slide this out, pinch. There you go. Cool. And basically you remove this. Oh, there's a clip right there. Oh, you just push it out. Let's see. Ah, there you go. So now the clip is out. And this clip on the bottom right here too, so I gotta be careful. Even though this is unbreakable. About to come out already, so what's going on? So there's like a clip right there. You gotta disengage it. I'll put it down actually. Wow, lucky I didn't break it. So there you go. It's almost like a nose piece looking like right there. Alright. Anyway, that's how you remove it. Hopefully I could put it back. Alright, so in order to put it back, I will need to put the nose piece in there first. Oh, there you go. That was easy. And then I just push those 3 clips on the top. And then that's it. And then you put the strap back in. Make sure it's the right orientation. You need to pinch it. Okay. And then lock it in. There you go. Whoops. I didn't lock in right. There you go. And then voila. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and then I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.